Hello everyone, and welcome back to Word Glow, where simple English builds strong futures. Today's video is not only a story, it is a lesson for life, a lesson about money, a lesson about thinking, a lesson about success. Today, you will learn Rich Dad versus Poor Dad. Two fathers, two minds, two different lives. Listen carefully, because this story can change the way you think forever. Let's begin. Part 1. The Boy and Two Fathers. This is the story of a young boy named Alex. Alex had two fathers in his life. One was his real father. He was kind, honest, and hard-working. Alex called him Poor Dad. The other was his friend's father. He was rich, confident, and smart with money. Alex called him Rich Dad. Both loved Alex. Both wanted him to succeed, but their thinking was very different. Part 2. Poor Dad's Thinking. Poor Dad believed in education. He always said, study hard, get good grades, find a good job. He worked in an office. He earned a fixed salary. Every month he paid bills, rent, and loans. At the end, very little money was left. Poor Dad said, money is not everything. Life is difficult. I cannot afford this. He worked hard, but he worried a lot. Part 3. Rich Dad's Thinking. Rich Dad thought differently. He said, learn how money works. Make money work for you. He did not fear money. He studied business. He invested. He built assets. Assets are things that give you money. For example, shops, houses for rent businesses, investments. Rich Dad said, don't work for money. Let money work for you. He loved learning. He loved improving. Part 4. First lesson. How you think. One day, Alex asked both fathers, why are you rich and poor? Poor Dad said, I don't earn enough. Life is unfair. Rich Dad said, I think differently. He explained, your mind is your power. If you say, I can't, you stop. If you say, how can I, you grow. Alex learned, success starts in the mind. Part 5. Second lesson, job versus business. Poor Dad said, get a safe job. Rich Dad said, create opportunities. Poor Dad worked for others. Rich Dad built his own system. Rich Dad taught, a job gives money for today. A business gives money for life. Alex understood, both are good, but business builds freedom. Part 6. Third lesson. Learn, not just earn. Poor Dad focused only on salary. Rich Dad focused on skills. Rich Dad said, learn speaking, learn selling, learn thinking. Skills are more valuable than money. Money can be lost. Skills stay forever. Alex started learning English communication business ideas, just like you. Part 7. Fourth lesson, face fear. Poor Dad feared failure. He said, what if I lose? Rich Dad accepted risk. He said, what if I win? Rich Dad failed many times, but he never quit. He learned from mistakes. Alex learned, fear is normal. Giving up is dangerous. Part 8. Fifth lesson, save and invest. Poor Dad spent first, then saved little. Rich Dad saved first, then invested. Rich Dad taught, pay yourself first. Use money wisely. Alex learned, rich people plan, poor people react. Part 9. Alex's change. Years passed. Alex followed Rich Dad's advice. He learned daily, practiced English, read books, tried small businesses. He failed. He tried again. Slowly, he improved. One day, Alex opened his own company. He became confident. He became free. Part 10. Message for you. Dear listener, this story is about you. You have two voices inside you. One says, I can't. It's hard. I'm afraid. That is Poor Dad voice. Another says, I will try. I will learn. I will grow. That is Rich Dad voice. Which one will you follow? Choose wisely. Part 11. Simple rules for success. Follow these rules. 1. Learn daily. 2. Control spending. 3. Improve skills. 4. Think positive 5. Never quit. Success is a habit, not luck. Remember, rich people think long-term. Poor people think short-term. Rich people learn daily. Poor people complain daily. Your future depends on you. Start today. Start now. Thank you for learning with Word Glow. If this story helped you, keep learning, keep growing, and keep glowing. See you in the next video.